Yeah, man, Wagwan, welcome forward to the channel. You don't know Queenie, I get over her because you don't know the surgery she could do one thing. You don't know, say, she did there rest up and so she just take a time out to go live this morning on Instagram, but she break down in tears. You don't know she a talk about where she go through and you don't know where the family them treat her and the haters them on the net and them something there. And she said she glad say she go back to her husband, you see it, and she's a lady well easy if you forget, you see it. So she just forgive and she just forgive, do it for what him do and them something and just move on with her life. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get it right as it drop. You see me? And don't know, say, people say bad things about her, so you know, say she go come out in fire burning, you see it, so you don't know, say that she depend this man, she just a burn a fire upon the haters, the man. You don't know skeleton and the whole of the man. When you don't know when you say skeleton, we mean skeleton, it's set speed. You don't know who we attack, you see.
I'm a positive mind. Everybody about Queenie light, I'm down, get up. No, tell me what to do. Me know what to do. I work with my heart, and my heart keep me alive. God say I know me true, pure heart. You hear me? Me, times what them. Where my love cried. I'm emotional. Somebody do it? To me? Me not 1 minute. Eh? You want me? No. When I come to the thing. Alright, my darling. In a bit. Yeah. Right, crazy. I'm telling the man. Enough things I take for granted. But guess what? I'm excited. I'm an excited person for life. I appreciate life. After the God forgive them soul, I have enough people who encourage me to tell me something for all grudge, I'm for shame. All of that work out for me in good in my hospital sick bed. You see me, everybody said that if the internet had done you, me say, me nah look. Me not even go over there go peep. Me not want to hear. Listen, my family. My family when me and them have blood. End up full family when me just come out of surgery. Listen, my family cursed me. And my family grew up. I'm sick. Right, because it's me no listen. You know what me say? What me say me no do? Me hide. Me hide like how when my daughter's sick. I say me now listen, me no want no negativeness in my hospital bed. My family, they were close to me. That was the time that used me as a weapon. So me could have go by the internet and cuss people me no know. I go listen, I black out every single soul. God bless the sister them over Jubilee. Every time they come, make sure you go on the internet. I say, nurse, I'm afraid to go over there go look. I want me at peace. Me know why you're not for corrupt my soul. And I'm a one family come on my WhatsApp. So near people I said, people done me over there over internet. I said this and I said that. Me not care, me no want hear nothing. Me no listen. What me say me no listen. Come own blood fine. My them pity me now. Oh God, this I will pray for you. And the moment I come out of surgery, I'm weak with how much in truth. I'm gonna hang up one family and then I go in a family group and I've done this. I don't listen to none of them. I just delete myself out of the family group and block and delete every one of them that interfere with me. I'm going to ask God for forgive them, save me. I don't hold no grudge. I just show you mankind is unkind. So people from internet when me don't know, it doesn't matter. Because people are close to me. Feed me with bitter gall. At the time when I need them most. When them should have pamper me and nurture me. And people from nowhere will see me and appreciate me. Uplift me. work both ways. You hear that? And them are the cleaner. Well, if a testimony that started, you hear that? It shows you when you're weak and when you're down, who stand by you and who push you down more. They become a strong, full, mighty. And I believe in a Father God, them never ever conquer me. Now I make a vow with that man in the eyes of Father God. Father God, so when you're married to a man, no man come before that man. You're married to a woman, no woman come before that. You becomes one. And I maintain my marriage vows. And I take the shame on to stone me. And I just smile. I say, my God is real. Father God, who you put together, make no one surrender. He said, that, let me can't sit on your son and tell the tears. No, God. I just want to get up every day and preach war and preach contention. I don't know why I forgive. Because I don't know why I prove. Someone have an opinion and ear to an opinion. Someone have a woman and ear to the woman. Someone have a father and ear them. Stop it. Stop it. Life short. Live and be loved. Yeah, somebody now forget on. You know, forget up on them face to forgive them. You can't forgive them from a distance. So, me tell you, my family, them discriminate me, them class me. Me don't listen. What my family, them pity them, hear it. I'm a black or no. Me know what I hear. You hear me say? All negativeness. What, you me sick? And I think you could have mocked me. God just show you what mankind is unkind. And it no matter what situation, you see me? You have a loving heart. You just say the worst to me and do the worst to me. I'm going to see, I'm not do it back to you. Me I go get some of my back juice to me. You see that kind heart to me have, and that sharing loving spirit of me have, and that forgiveness for me, God heal me. Look at my face. Like God wash me and burn me all. Oh, you hear me telling the right crazy? Do you hear me? Do you hear me give God gratitude? You hear me now? I wonder if I can't cuss again and nobody trouble me. Do we would I forgive everybody right now? Do we got to let me down right crazy? He's not the corrupted one for all grudge pan nobody had to prove to people so I'm ashamed, I'm embarrassed. Life short, music Martin one. Dangerous move. You hear that morning? How are you? Music Martin, I'm in your fire. Mr. Boy, Mr. Mango tree up on your ear yesterday and stop. Knock up the people that I make them mango. I say we get mango like East Indian mango. 5 mango me eat one time. After that, when I come out of surgery for 4 days, I can't eat same meal. Them say I can't eat nothing. I can't drink not even water. I beg somebody buy one bottle of water. I say water is life, Father God. My mouth dry, white squall kill me. When I for them flush out my system, my pipe in my bloodstream. I can't drink no water. I still get little water and threaten the car with my mouth. I say, Father God, heal me. Why I create this? And everybody a prayer warrior. You have some true prayer warrior out there. I have some true people that God make for a purpose. And I can't tell you. Big up all of the sick people that I'm meeting in the hospital. All them I pray for me and them sick, you know. What I do, God. I'm loved by the world. It's love conquer it all. See if you don't have love, you know, no? Get some forgiveness. When I can't cuss me because my love and have a loving heart. This woman come in the hospital with them belly big like 12 month belly and no baby in the night. And them a pray for me and them sick. And I said, Jesus Christ. Every single somebody will come in at the hospital was sick. Queen, where you doing here? And them sick too. I used to Jamaica people. I want loving religious set up people. You know, just get medication and look after. You get blessing. Them come and them keep church and prayer meeting. Jamaica is a beautiful place. I'm glad. I hear somebody sick. I can't eat back my words, you know? Me can't eat back my words. Remember when Russia was sick, I'm come from England and just up and go look there. And I go in, I said, I don't want to go in. And I said, no, I'm just come look. I'm afraid. Dad, and she taught me. I'm still trying. Every time I go to the hospital, they want to let me in. Me have security awards. I say, no, I'm not to this. Where's my sister? I'm going to do myself. I'm going to try to hide from myself. So I can't. I can go to the testimony, love and forgive. If you want God to remember, nobody know by sickness. Remember that. So you see, if you're sick and you're feeling like you hold grudge against people, and you're not forgiving the love, and someone has some decent family, some rare family, and not appreciate it. Appreciate everybody want to know I have life. As me say, I can't use my family. One thing that's the time them would show me love and nurture me. That's the time them use that as a weapon to mock me and stone me. But lo and behold, I have more sense than them. I block the whole of them. I never know, so when you black people, it's different from delete. My black plus my delete. I don't want to see them name. The only reason why I'm talking about them is my testimony. God use the closest people to you. You hear me? God use the closest people to test you and see your faith. Pick up on the damn self. My husband, I go up on the road and get some seawater and sop up myself. The Queen is alive, still in a good spirit. Yes, my spirit of mouth, I have to preach every day to us. Still, I come up on internet and daytime I want to laugh. I soon have to take my words. Because I'm a powerful woman and God used me to tell you. No, for I've ones that did on a whole grudge and when them did not. Oh, if I didn't know. Use me as a perfect example. It's an all-purpose woman. I show on every side of life. When my marriage bright, I show no. When it's rocky, I show no. When my marriage share, I show no. But I still stand firm. And so that what I do, God forgive me and give me one more chance to stay alive. You hear that? One more chance in you. I will forgive. If I never forgive, Father can forgive me. Pick up on the damn self. May I get some jelly water? True, man. Terrible. Crazy. Well, I'll be telling about the dream with Rochelle. I come out to surgery Saturday evening. I'm a dream. I lie down in the hospital with beer blood on the ground. It's like it's a river, but a blood.